Welcome to our deep dive. Today, we're looking at something really interesting about 2026. The most successful tech agencies share one very bizarre trait.
Right, it is super surprising.
Yeah, their founders do not know how to write a single line of code. So our mission today is exploring the top AI side hustles of the year. We are using real agency reports to show how you can make money online.
Exactly. And the biggest takeaway for you listening is that you really do not need to be a programmer.
You might think businesses only want to hire these deep tech experts.
Well, looking at the data, that is just not true. Business owners are simply exhausted. They're totally overwhelmed with their daily operations.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, they do not actually care about the underlying AI models. They just want simple solutions that save them time and, make them money.
So if we are not coding, what is the actual job? Are we basically acting as digital plumbers, just connecting different data pipes together?
Digital plumbing is a really great way to think about it, but the pipes have gotten much smarter now. We're talking about AI automation.
Like using Zapier, right? I think most people listening probably know about that.
Yes, exactly like Zapier.
Yeah.
In the past, you used it for strict logical rules, like if this happens, then do that. But now it uses AI-driven semantic routing.
Right, so it isn't just moving a simple file from point A to point B anymore.
No, it is way more advanced. Let's look at how it works now. You connect a business email to their customer database. The AI actually reads the incoming email.
Wait, it reads and understands it?
It does. It understands the customer's intent and context. Then it automatically categorizes the data, updates the spreadsheet, and even drafts a reply.
Wow, that saves so much time.
It handles complex decisions instantly. And for setting up that specific workflow, a business will easily pay you $500 to $2,000 a month.
That is amazing. So AI automation handles the background plumbing, moving data around seamlessly. But what about the front?
You mean like websites and things the customer sees?
Yeah, exactly. How do you actually build those without coding? That leads us to a massive trend in the reports called vibe coding.
Oh, vibe coding is where the technology gets really impressive. With vibe coding, you use tools like Bolt.
Okay, and how does that work?
You simply type out what you want the website to look like, just using plain English.
But how does that actually work behind the scenes? I mean, it cannot just be magic.
Right. It is not magic. It is real-time translation. The tool uses large language models. When you type your plain English ideas or your vibes, the AI translates your words into complex code.
So it builds the whole design instantly.
Yes, the front design and the background structure. You are just giving it the creative direction.
I'm struggling to buy this, though.
Yeah.
If Bolt makes it so easy that I could just type a sentence to build a site.
Why wouldn't a restaurant owner just type that sentence themselves?
Exactly. Why pay us to do it?
Well, it is a very fair question, but remember the context here. These owners are incredibly busy. They are running a restaurant, a clinic, or a store.
Right. They're working all day.
Exactly. They do not have the mental energy to sit down, learn a new AI platform, and fix any mistakes. They will gladly pay $500 for a beautiful finished website.
That makes sense.
Or they will pay for a custom chatbot that answers customer questions 24 hours a day.
So they're buying the finished result. They're buying their own time back.
Yes, exactly.
So what does this mean for you, the listener? How do you actually start? The report suggests a surprisingly simple plan.
The key is extreme focus. Do not try to learn every single AI tool on the market. Just pick one single service.
Because AI is already okay at everything, right?
Right. In a world where AI can do almost anything at an average level, humans get paid to perfectly manage one specific AI workflow.
That makes perfect sense. So you spend exactly 5 hours learning that one specific tool deeply.
Yes.
You figure out all its little quirks. Then you offer that single polished solution to local businesses.
Your real value isn't being a technology genius. Your value is being a reliable problem solver. You bring structure to their daily chaos.
You provide a finished result, not a technology lesson. Which brings us to a really fascinating thought to end on.
Oh, what is that?
Well, if AI can write the code, make the art, and talk to customers, what happens when the most valuable human skill isn't actually doing the work?
That is a big question.
Right. What if the real skill is simply managing a team of AI workers? Are we all about to become digital managers?
It really seems like it.
Something for you to think about. Until next time. Thanks for joining our deep dive.